What's up everyone, my name is C and let's get right into this video. Today I am using the SAVILAND Polygel kit I got off of Amazon. Everything I used will be linked in the description so you don't have to go searching for it. And here are all the colors swatched. If you want to see what colors they are, you can just pause the video and I show you. These colors are very pretty. I really like the consistency of this polygel. It's not super sticky, but it's also not too hard to move, which I really appreciate. I'm going to be using the light sparkly purple and the clear iridescent polygel today. Here are all the colors swatched. They're really pretty. Starting off with my natural nails, I'm going in with my cuticle bit from the cart and just getting off all that dead skin around the cuticle. And now I'm going in with my 180 hand file by Neo Nails and roughing up the surface. Taking an alcohol wipe, wiping off the dust. And here are my tips. And boom, they're done. They're all shaped, filed, and buffed. And now I'm going in with some more alcohol, wiping all that dust off, and some base coat. This base coat is by Beetles Gel, so you can just get it off of Amazon. It's cheap, but it's really good. Now going in with the clear iridescent polygel and putting that on my entire thumbnail. I'm going for a stiletto shape today, which I've never done before on myself, so it is definitely a learning process, but I really like how these nails came out. I think they came out really pretty. Now I'm going in with some mylar pieces that I also got off of Amazon and just sticking those randomly around the wet polygel and just kind of molding it into the shape I want. Curing that for 60 seconds and going in with the clear SAVILAND polygel. This polygel isn't really a polygel, this clear one specifically. It's more of a builder gel. The consistency is really runny and liquidy, but I don't mind that because I'm used to working with builder gel, so I didn't mind. But here's the purple. I'm putting that at the cuticle and blending that down. I'm doing an ombre on the pointer and pinky. So just taking my slip solution, I'm thinning out the polygel as I go down and spreading out the sparkle so it looks like an ombre. And after curing that for about 15 seconds, I'm going in with the clear polygel and taking the mylar pieces again and putting those on the tip, blending them up towards the cuticle. After curing that for the full 60 seconds, going in with the clear and capping it. Now going in with the purple and putting that all over my middle finger and patting that out. If you are going to get this kit, I would recommend getting either 90% alcohol or slip solution because it doesn't come with any which is fine, but you do definitely need it. Otherwise, these products would be really difficult to work with. Alright, and here are the nails without filing. I'm going in with my extra slip solution and wiping off the tacky layer. And let's start filing. I really like watching people file, so I'm gonna leave this in for those of you who are like me. If you don't like filing, you can skip to the time that I put on the screen. Alright, now that we're done with filing with the hand file, I'm going in with my Melody Susie hand drill and my medium grit safety bit from Kiara Sky and sealing those cuticles. This helps prevent lifting. And going in with the alcohol wipe to wipe off any dust. And now I'm using acryl gel, which is a thicker polygel, putting that at the cuticle of my middle, ring, and thumb. I'm doing some gems today, super exciting. And I'm taking the Kiara Sky top coat. This is one of my favorite top coats. I really like it. It's non-wipe, so you don't have to worry about that. And putting that over the uncured polygel. Now I'm sticking in my gems. This is gonna help it stay really well. When I was taking off these nails, I had a really hard time trying to take off the gems. Like, they would not come off. So this method, I learned it from Long Hair Pretty Nails. Shout out to her. I love her YouTube. But yeah, now I'm going in, cleaning up the cuticles, redoing that top coat so it looks nice and smooth, and curing that for 60 seconds. And now I am top coating the rest of the nails. Look at that index finger. The way that the Mylar just shines through that clear is absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy with how this set turned out. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. It makes me feel really happy. I might start doing 2 videos a week. I don't know. I'll just see how this video does and go from there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Here is me putting on some cuticle oil, and I hope you all have an amazing week. Happy Monday, and I will see you all next week. Have a good one.